Our last full day in London. Our last real day in London at all. We leave really early tomorrow morning to go to Paris. That was a squeal. It's cold outside again today. Pretty windy.
I'm gonna need another jacket.
I don't think you need a jacket. I think you just need a scarf.
And real shoes, damn it. Somebody didn't listen to me when it was gonna be raining the whole time. And I was like, oh, we could just bring our MTEs. We'll be fine.
Too heavy.
No, my feet are wet.
It's fine.
It is not fine.
Maybe not perfect, but we're managing. The forecast is for rain. Rain and rain.
And rain.
And rain. We will see how that all plays out. As for our shoe selection and jacket selection and all that. In other news, I'm getting sick now.
We're passing it along.
Yeah.
What a good girlfriend I am.
I'm getting it a little bit different than she is though. I just have a scratchy throat, so I'm thinking that means that I can just drink a lot of water and it'll go away, because that's usually what happens.
Take a whole fucking teaspoon of honey, coat your throat, and get some tea.
But we are on our way to real breakfast. We had a little snack just to kind of hold us over and so we could take our vitamins and such. We're going to this place, Balthazar.
Today is our wandering day. Yesterday we were tourists. We are gonna go see the Changing of the Gods, Buckingham Palace. Last night I slept so well, I actually dreamt and drooled. If you're traveling, can't sleep, go out and drink.
Yeah, go spend $200 a person on a Michelin star restaurant.
Tasting menu, alcohol paired perfectly.
It was great. We're off to breakfast. Finished up at Balthazar. Pretty good. A little bit too big of a meal for us though. That's alright. And I lost it. What is this?
So, The Ordinary is rated as one of the best new makeup brands. It's like the best foundation in the whole wide world, and it's £6. I've been trying to get my hands on it online, but they've been sold out. So, I've got pounds to burn because it's our last full day in London. That was it. Just had a little bit of a freak out. I put in new contacts today. Whenever I have new contacts in, one or both get blurry. We went over to Boots to get some contact cleaner, and I was sitting on a bench cleaning my contact. Right as I put the contact up to my eye, a huge gust of wind came and blew it right off my hand. I thought it was gone, but I saw it on the ground. Andrea went and picked it up. Luckily I had the cleaner. I'm still a little worried that I might get an infection, but why not? Stopped in this little cafe so she could go to the bathroom. We needed to get something, so she got an Irish coffee. She's so excited. I'm on vacation, man. Of course I'm gonna start drinking at noon.
Walking around here, it's got us a little famished. So we decided that we gotta get some authentic British food. I can't say it without laughing. We're going to McDonald's. Verdict is, they don't really have much different. We're gonna find a proper pub to get some fish and chips.
London being London.
It just started raining. Look, over there. Nice. Right above us, not so nice.
I guess we should have known there was thunder.
So we're gonna go shelter for a little bit. Finally made it to Dishoom. I think we did pretty well. Got our Dishoom fix.
Dishoom works.
Check.
Check.